go. So it's 3 p.m. I just got to this trailhead near Skycomish, Washington that leads up into the Alpine Lakes Wilderness. It probably gets dark, starts getting dark at 6 p.m. now that it's fall. And it's supposed to start raining at any moment. I figured I would bring along this here camera and tell you guys a little bit about why I think that you should go on adventures when the forecast is bad, because there's a lot of good reasons for it. All right, we are off. And right on cue, the rain just started. Probably gonna hike, try to get up to Copper Lake tonight. Copper Lake, 4 miles. So there's only 3 other cars in the trailhead. There's only 3 other cars in the trailhead. The first reason why I think that you should go out when the forecast is bad is because there's gonna be nobody else out here. Being alone out here is cool. I mean, you never really get to see a lot of these trails and these places when there's nobody else out here. Well, just ran into the first of the 3 people. I guess that's 1 person down. And you know, part of the reason of being alone out here is that it's kind of scary. And that's kind of the second point, is going out here when the weather's bad, it's pushing the comfort zone a little bit. Like, I'm kind of nervous that a storm is just gonna roll in and it's gonna be way more intense than I'm imagining. Well, it's definitely raining now. Pushing your comfort zone, you know, it's kind of a cliche at this point, but it really can lead to some impactful and important experiences. I know it has for me, so. We got a bridge. We got a bridge. It's October 11th. So it is the driest part of the year, but wow, I mean, it's just totally dried up. Big riverbed. Of course, as soon as I put the pack cover on now, it's not raining anymore. Oh wow, look at that. Big tree alert. Oh man, this one's huge. Look at the size of this. Wow. Well, I wasn't expecting the biggest tree ever. Oh, you can still see it on this hike. Look at that. Well above the rest. Yeah, I kind of just chose this trail yesterday. I think it's good to have a little bit of uncertainty in your plans sometimes, just because it leaves room for all sorts of interesting shenanigans and experiences and big trees. Aha! Wow. Don't think I want to eat those. I feel like when I go out hiking and adventuring alone, the internal dialogue just starts coming out a little bit. Oh, we got a lake. We got a lake. We got a toilet. All right, we got toilet number 2. See what I did there? Fall colors, beautiful up here. Oh, we're definitely going up now. Leaf. Leaf big. Oh, we got a creek. Oh, look at that. That might be coming out of the lake that we're going up to. So, my third reason why I think that you should come out when the forecast is bad is because chances are it's not as bad as it says it's going to be. It was supposed to rain all afternoon here, and the sun's out a little bit. We got some blue sky. It's great. Couldn't ask for better conditions, honestly. Waterfall. Wow. Hi there.
Hello.
How's it going?
Good. How you doing?
Pretty good. You also making a video?
Yeah. Are
Nice.
you too?
A little bit.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. Hell yeah, dude.
Yeah. Have a good one.
You too, bud.
Well, that's 2 cars down. Maybe we'll see the third person. Oh yeah, we are in the mountains, going to the Alpine Lake. I'm so excited. Copper Lake. I think we're almost there, actually. Oh, is this it? Oh, I think this is it. Wow. Look at that. It's so quiet. Okay, I think I found the third party. They're camped right over here. Everyone's accounted for up here. All right, I'm gonna keep going for now. Look at how still the water is. I finally got my little microphone out. My legs are a little bit unhappy with me for my pace. It's just so still, so peaceful up here. It's just such a nice mental reset after a week of sitting behind a computer. I just don't want to disturb those people's peace who are camping there. So I think we're gonna continue on. There's a few more lakes not too far ahead, so still have time. Oh boy. Oh. Oh God. Oh fuck. Well, oh man. My legs just cramped up real bad. I stopped a second ago to have a snack because I could feel the cramps coming in, but my leg like completely locked up a second ago. I don't think I've ever had that happen, so yikes. Must eat more candy. I hobbled myself over to a camp spot, but it's only like a quarter mile to the next lake. And I can kind of walk, so I'd rather keep going. I want to camp by a lake, you know? I should not be doing that anymore. Come on, legs. Just like 200 more feet. Oh, here it is. Wow. Oh. It's getting a little cold. I feel like I'm kind of anti-dehydrated meal. Like, if you're just out on a 1 or 2 night backpacking trip, why not bring a burrito? Okay, all of a sudden, the wind just picked up out of nowhere. I think the storm may have finally arrived. Well, I think I might jot down a few things and then go to bed. The rain has begun. Hopefully my tent doesn't leak. Good night. Current situation, we got a puddle at the bottom of the tent. I'm gonna pack up here. It's not so bad out here though. It's not raining super hard. Really pretty. All right, we're ready. I think I gotta put this camera away though before it gets too soaked. Okay, I've switched over to my phone now, but the final reason why I think you should go out when the weather's like this is because what else are you gonna do on a rainy, gray weekend? You're probably just gonna sit on your phone watching a video of someone else hiking in the rain. So why not brave the elements, come outside, because chances are, regardless of how miserable and wet it is, it's going to be a meaningful experience that you're going to remember for a long time. I know I'll remember this one for a while. Check it out. Check out this stick I just found. You might be thinking, oh, it's just a stick. And you would be right. It is a stick. But the stick has this notch, and I can just slide my camera into the notch, my phone. And now it's a little selfie stick. How neat is that? Okay, I have reached an impassable puddle. Fully spanning the trail. That's not gonna happen. I think we're gonna have to do a schwack. Oh God, it's so wet. Oh. Did it. Nice. I'm trying to get down pretty quick because I gotta drive all the way back to Portland this afternoon. Oh God, I just fell. My arm is like numb. Ugh. Yikes. I think I'm okay. Oh. When I saw the forecast, I was aghast. An 80% chance of soaking to the bone. So why not stay home? The hills of autumn call out, soon to be extinguished. Squished through muddy soil, past slippery stones and hydrated leaves. The biggest tree I ever did see. And the rain? It had not came. The soaring granite outcrops warding off the wall of weather. Each step drawing nearer to awe. And a place to camp. Cramp, a jarring halt, eat some salt, and reach the lonesome lake. Awake to the unmistakable sound, puddles forming on the ground. A million pins pricking the deep blue surface, returning to where it began, and coming home with new purpose. Well, I think that just about does it. Thanks so much for watching, and I guess I'll see you out on the next rainy day adventure.